He has given a complaint now against me.
ಏನಂತ?
Criminal trespass ಆಗಿದೆ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಒಳಗೋದ್ರೆ you had entered his garage. One ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್. Entered his garage. No notice is issued to him demanding the tax. No notice is issued to him that if you don't pay the tax, we will come and seize your vehicle. No notice. You ekaeki hogi, you enter the garage and take it away. And definitely criminal trespass ಆಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ.
Yes.
ಈಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಯಾರು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ? ನಾವು ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ?
ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ RTO ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹೌದು, ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
The powers are there.
ಪವರ್ and seizing without notice ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Judgment of this
it is very rudimentary. It's very rudimentary. Search and seizure comes at a later point in time when he refuses to adhere to the demand that is made. First notice, demand istide. If you don't pay, we will seize the vehicle and go later.
The previous data.
ನೀವು ಇದೀರಾ ಲಂಬೋಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ?
Second.
ಓಹೋ.
Respondent.
ಬೈ ನೇಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಅವರು ಬೈ ನೇಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
My work is made light.
Or the other way around, we don't know. Yes.
And after the previous date of hearing, my lord, lordship was gracious to grant my lord the interim order. And at the behest of my lord, the submission made by my learned friend, the lordship limited it to the petitioner.
No,
on the premise.
The learned SPP was telling that his integrity is unquestionable.
Yes. Lord, I
very efficient officer.
I have.
So if such officers have committed in the josh of things, then we may not. That's the only thing. But ಈಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು.
Kindly take my reply.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಇದು ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಸೊ PF ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 497 503 only for stolen article.
Yes.
All right, this is not stolen. You have taken it away unauthorizedly. All right, no 55 comply ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. It's not an issue. Let me not go against this man whom you vouch to be honest.
Lord, I shall, yes.
That's the only thing.
Yes.
Only because you will keep quiet and you're saying that he is honest.
He has recovered so much, Lord, for the government. He's part of all the squads that go on
I'll tell you,
interception.
We will not trouble officers.
Yes.
Unless he must have done it in his
No, nothing.
Goes to do it. Ashte.
Yes, he has.
But he has done it nonetheless. He has to now, this should be.
My lord, 55 is not applicable, my lord, in my humble submission. Lord, this is proceedings under Karnataka Motor Vehicles Taxation Rules, and therefore he has power to search and the power of
The whole problem is, I tell you, he is himself the complainant.
No, that is for the crime which is registered by the police.
He has not done under those proceedings.
No.
Registration of the crime, he himself has gone. Why did he want to do that?
He was part of the squad.
Part of the squad irbodu. Complaint ಇವರೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ವಾ?
Part of the squad, the registration of the crime was for the offense for him coming in the way of discharge of duty and fabrication of documents alone.
ಈಗ
not otherwise.
one ನಿಮಿಷ.
Yes, Lord.
Now he is also in the place of a victim. He doesn't know what has happened. The showroom has sold it to him. He has paid money and taken it.
I'll briefly explain. I will take 15 minutes, that's all, not more than that.
That after learned SPP said on the last occasion that action will be taken against all erring officials.
Yes.
All that they have done is prepare more documents and not put me with more documents. Thump me with more documents.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ erase ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಲೆ documents ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, stay was only
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. You are undertaking before the court, you execute. You bring in all the RTOs who have erred.
It will strengthen if your lordship passes an order in that regard.
It will strengthen our case. You have undertaken. I will only say you should abide by your undertaking.
Yes. We will do that. Lord, it will also strengthen if your lordship passes a reference with regard to that effect.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ RTO ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಬ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಇಂದ,
ಹಾ.
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ
ಅದೇ
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್
ಅವ್ರ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೇಮ್ ಇಬ್ರೇ ಇದ್ರ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Names
Kindly
ಕೊಡಿ.
take the, my lord, synopsis that I have furnished, my lord.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
So I'm sorry.
What synopsis?
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು objection ಇದೆ. The history that my learned friend mentioned has a history, as he said. My lord, this car, your lordship gets the synopsis, my lord.
I am not,
briefly take
no
a lordship-
synopsis, sir, here.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ I will only refer to those documents.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್?
May I request your lordship?
ನೀವು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್
15/12
Take up my reply.
only dates I'll give.
All documents.
Wait, sir.
Take up my.
SPP is here, wait, sir. Yes.
Your lordship may not even look into the documents. I will, in a chronological order, would refer to all those documents without really reference. Not on 15/12/2025, not this car was intercepted in Madikeri as part of 12 cars that were intercepted. Then, Lord, he was asked to furnish documents, he would not furnish. Lord, then he was asked to be taken to the police station, which he refuses. He says, from Madikeri, I am en route to Bangalore. So you take me to Hunsur police station. So therefore, as motor vehicle inspector accompanied him in the car, he drove the car.
ಯಾರು? ಸೇಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್?
He was the petitioner's son. Not R2, not R2.
sorry.
He was part of the squad
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
because he is the main who can, my lord, be a strong foreign. My lord, inspector accompanied him. They would reach, when about to reach Hunsur police station, my lord, he would complain of chest pain.
Who?
The petitioner's son.
ಸರಿ.
All this part of the record.
Which record? I don't know. Learned SPP is deposing. But I don't know. There is a complaint which does not refer to any of this.
My lord,
ಹೇಳಿ.
then he,
Listen to the story. Why?
then he would, the inspector, out of fear, would get out of the car to fetch water.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಇವ್ರು
Urine, because he is complaining of chest pain. My lord, then he would vanish with the car.
chest pain vanished or he vanished?
He vanished with the car.
Oh.
With the car. Lord, that was reported to Hunsur RTO. Lord, it is part of the record which is Annexure A, document number 1 and 2. Lord, then thereafter, it was reported, it is on record, which I placed before your lordship. On 12/12/2025, this happened on 15/12/2025. Based on a squad which was constituted 3 days prior to this interception, that he would escape. Thereafter, my lord, on 23/12/2025, there is a complaint to the RTO about this particular car having been temporarily registered and without valid any other documents being run on the road. Based on the complaint, my lord, we write to the dealer, which is Hoysala, Lamborghini, Hoysala. We write to them seeking information. My lord, he would furnish information saying that I have sold this car only in the year 2022 and thereafter I have not sold. The documents that the additional commissioner would seek clarification from Lamborghini would say these are all fabricated. We have not sold anything in 2025. Part of, my lord, I have placed it before your lordship. My lord, kindly see page 8 and 9. Reply letter to the additional commissioner for transport from Lamborghini.
From Hoysala, is it?
From Hoysala, the dealer. Lamborghini
Vehicle
dealer.
was used as a demo car and subsequently sold by us after a period of 15 months on 1st June 2022 to one Harsha Infra Cons. So, and so copies of the invoice. With regard to the invoice, 1st September, said that said invoice not been issued by same appears to be fabricated and for does not pertain to our records or transactions.
Yes. Kindly turn to the next page, my lord. He would also admit that it was to be invoiced at 4 crores, but then it was invoiced at a lesser price. Because this, he would commit his mistake, he would admit, because we write to Delhi also. So there's some reference to Delhi, so therefore he would say the value of the car would be 4 crores. 4 crores and odd. 4 crores 49 lakhs.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, my lord. After this, my lord, there is a squad constituted by the additional joint commissioner to search and seizure. My lord, that, my lord, your lordship finds that.
Correct, page 11.
Page 11.
Page
Page
11.
11. This man was part of the squad, headed by ARTO.
When did the vehicle end in seizure?
My lord, on 7/2/2026 at 5 o'clock, we go to the place.
No,
Similar,
thing is,
eight,
how
eight,
did-
eight, on
it's all
eight.
right. How did you enter the house?
Based on the strength of the search and seizure powers that are available under motor vehicle.
Where, Kodi? Who authorized you?
My lord, the authorization is
ಅಲ್ಲ,
there.
ಇದು ಬರೀ ಸ್ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್
Well,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
authorization to search and seizure.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Eight,
Where is that?
my lord, Council 11, my lord.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
Kindly see-
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Kindly see 11.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು
ಕಾಪಿ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ
ಇವಾಗ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ? ಸರಿ.
My lord, ದೂರಿದ್ದು ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
Does not refer
ವಾಹನವನ್ನು
to any
ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು
ಹಾ.
ವಾಹನವನ್ನು ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತೆರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕು ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಇತರೆ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿದ ವರದಿ ನೀಡಲು ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರವರ್ತನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳ ವಿಶೇಷ ತನಿಖಾ ತಂಡಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. To seize the vehicle and now I will show the powers. Now what happens on 7/2 I go to their place. The car is there. His manager is there. He would not cooperate.
Where in the house?
In the house. In the house. He would not, this at 5 o'clock I go on 7/2/2000. He would not cooperate. He would immediately get in touch with the petitioner's son and he would in reply say that I will haul you up for corruption. I will do all that and say, and then the manager would not cooperate and he would lock the gate and switch off the lights. We would report this on that day. We would report it to the jurisdictional police, Kodigali police, saying that this is what it is. He is coming in the way of discharge of duty.
Where is that?
But that is also not FIR. This is the FIR we're talking about.
7/2/2026.
Yes. This crime is reported. But thereafter, on 8th,
Is this uploaded
yes,
on the website
yes, my lord, that
Of
is
the-
the crime which is challenge,
of the
under challenge.
of the police station? This is the crime under challenge, is it?
Yes,
Yes.
no other proceedings are under challenge.
ಆಮೇಲೆ.
My lord, then, on the next day we go, on the 8th, we serve him another manager is there, Kiran. He is there. On him, we try to serve the demand notice. Amount, that is at page 18, my lord.
60 ಲಕ್ಷ.
60 lakhs. He refused to sign and receive the tax notice on 8/2/2006. This is at 5 o'clock, my lord, it commences.
ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ.
Sankala. My lord, everything is over by 8 o'clock. The way they said, portrayed that 11 o'clock, everything, the acknowledgement of the police station is there to say that it reached 8 o'clock, the car reached the police station. Now this would commence at 5. I'll show you. Now go to the next, my lord, this is, my lord, check report. The next document, if your lordship sees. After 18, 19 is a check report containing about 4 pages. This is a check report.
Yes.
After that, we seize the car, my lord, as per Form 27. Form 27, which has,
Now what is this page 29 invoice?
29, my lord, how they fabricated. This is a document which is fabricated. Now kindly see the original one, man, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು? Original ಯಾವುದು?
ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್.
ಹಾ.
Your lordship gets the tax invoice.
That is it. First tax invoice ಯಾವುದು?
ಅದೇ 1/6/2022. Last for 3 pages, my lord. 4 pages. Tax invoice, Lamborghini Bangalore.
ನಿಮಿಷ. 1/6/22.
What they do in the year 2025, they take the entire copy and tamper only the date so as to save that 60 lakhs. They
So
would
ಅದು 1/6/2025 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಅದನ್ನ 1/6/2025 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ 1/9/10 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇದು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
One moment.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
ಹಾ.
ಅದನ್ನ 1/9/2025 ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ. ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅದು ಅವರು ಅದು ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್.
RTO ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಇದ್ರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, is it not with the connivance of the RTO officials?
I am not for a moment saying that he has not connived. Our officers have not connived. They have connived. They have removed it from the portal. A portal iditre.
So portal removal is an offense.
Yes.
You can't do that.
Yes.
It's not merely a departmental offense, it's a criminal offense.
Yes.
How can you erase the portal and then create something new?
Yes. Yes. I will furnish the names. Your lordship may refer to the pass orders. Now, once a vehicle is registered temporarily, my lord, it can only be registered for a period of 30 days.
Correct.
Not thereafter. It cannot be extended. Then the penalty, my lord, would continue to be imposed from day one at the rate of 1% for calendar month,
ಆಯ್ತು,
which amounts to about 30-35 lakhs for 3 years.
ಆಯ್ತು.
And penalty added to that would amount to 60 lakhs. To avoid that, they tamper this and register. That's all the cases.
But the office of the RTO is definitely
Two officers,
responsible here.
2 officers.
Who are they?
Yes, my lord, I will furnish the names.
Furnish the
Furnish
names.
This man, my lord, he is part of all the
Oh,
squads.
they-
He has recovered so many cars.
Day before yesterday, the moment you told, yes,
Yes,
this is.
Lord. I'm grateful, my lord. Your
yes,
lordship has
that-
taken my word.
That's the only thing, yes. But for you, you would have had it.
My lord, it is for him to defend as to how
Ah,
search
yes,
and
sir.
seizure.
Now the ball is in your
Yes.
court. Tell me.
That the simplest of not any logical solution in this.
Hmm.
That 19/20/25 an invoice is given to me by the dealer. 16/20/22 an invoice is given to them by the dealer, to the investigating officer or the complainant. But who is benefiting lot from the, why would I not forge the documents? That I am placing lot these documents where not invoice is sent to me by the dealer.
His
Are
signature is found in
Huh?
form number 20. His signature is found. My lord, kindly turn to page 31, my lord.
Page?
31, 35 begins at 31. For H1 care, car care, his signature is found at page 35. This is the application by him.
One moment. 35,
31, my lord, starts from 31,
Yavudralli?
form 20.
31.
Yes, my lord, form 20.
In the petition, is it?
No, my synopsis, my lord, I'm sorry,
synopsis.
I'm sorry.
Form 20.
Form 20, kindly see page 35, my lord. His signature is found at the bottom. For H1 car care, he has to submit application for registration.
ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
Madidar. ಅದನ್ನ
ನಾವು
ನಾವು-
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ,
we are
ಅದು
not
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
denying
ಅಂತ
that.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
This application we are not denying, but because we submitted application, we have received the registration also.
Correct.
Kindly now see.
So,
Lord.
one thing is,
Yes.
on the earlier occasion, you said you are not aware. It is the dealer who has sent it for registration.
Yes.
I am not aware of anything.
Yes.
So one layer is gone.
Yes.
You have signed on this, you are aware because of your signature and your application, the registration is changed, correct?
Yes.
So. you are-
Changed Allah.
Huh?
Registration is made.
Yeah, sorry, registration is made, all right, registration is made.
Yes.
Now you cannot feign ignorance that the dealer has sent it, I don't know what has happened.
Dealer has.
Dealer has sent the documents to registration.
Yes.
Hoysala has sent it, and I am not aware because it is between the dealer and the RTO, ಅಂತ ನೀವು last time ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
Yes, it is, my lord. All the documents, not the, what is sought to be said to be forged is the invoice dated 19/25, which I have received from the dealer. Not kindly pass on.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Court officer. I have been following up with the dealers, WhatsApp chats I have placed on record. Lord, who benefits not from non-registration between 22 to 25? It is only the dealer or the
Only the
earlier
dealer,
one?
only the dealer.
Or the earlier?
RTO for extraneous
And I have
consideration.
purchased it only in 25. Lord, starts with page 37 onwards. I am sorry, not 37. 22.
ಅವ್ರೆ,
ಅವ್ರು ఎవరు
you-
ನೋಡಿ?
No, no, but you can, the dealer also may have washed off his hands.
No,
by
but
doing
he
all
is the
this.
beneficiary of that amount. He is the
He is the
beneficiary.
beneficiary of the registration.
No, of the amount of 60 lakhs. Otherwise, he had to pay 60 lakhs.
How is he responsible?
Penalty. That
But I'll
penalty.
show, my lord, I'll show. Kindly permit. me.
Yes, yes.
Just 5 minutes, I'll show. Lord, this WhatsApp chats I have placed.
Ah.
Lord, I have been following up with the representative of the dealer for the invoice for making payment right from August 2025. Starts at page 24 onwards.
ಹೇಳಿ.
I am the one who has been, the green colored ones, your lordship will see is the petitioner's, then page 25. Hi, brother, please update. He told to wait, brother, so waiting for him to call me. This is all, my lord. For in preparation for the registration and the invoice. Then page 26, any update? Good morning, brother. Okay.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಓದ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Allah, invoice, kindly come to the relevant
Good
invoice.
evening,
Page
hello.
27.
Yes.
Not all black
Page
transaction.
27.
3 ಕೋಟಿ black transaction. Let them show the bill for having transaction.
27.
for having paid.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. My lord, kindly, for a moment.
ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬೈತಾರೆ.
Page
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
27. This invoice is sent to
ತುಂಬಾ
me by.
ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ.
This invoice is, this invoice is sent to me by the dealer's representative. Page 27. Same invoice which learned SPP is now pointing out and trying to state it to have been for.
Page 37.
Page 27, 27. This is the same invoice. This invoice is sent to me.
Oh,
Yes.
ಈಗ SPP ಅವರೇ, ಯಾರು ಫೋರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ is the question. Loss is caused to the government. We will direct investigation to be conducted as to who has done this forgery, not a problem.
Lord, without
Now-
the knowledge of beneficiary, it cannot be, Lord.
Like, correct, whether the
How can it be,
beneficiary or
How
even
can it be? What is this submission? I
Hoysala
don't
is not a accused.
My Lord,
No,
he has not borrowed. loan.
Hoysala
He
is
has
not the
paid.
accused. RTO even today, none of the RTOs,
That
none
I
of the
will,
officials.
I will now pass an order.
Lord,
with
this
that.
money has not been transacted, all black. My Lord, let him produce the bill for having, my Lord, kindly say para 5.
ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, how did,
Clarify.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Yes.
How did you pay this 3
How
crores?
did-
2 crores 19 lakhs are paid in bank transfers and the remaining 1 crore also I placed material to show that this 1
Cash.
crore cash was.
Lord, kindly say para 5.
Cash material. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು I've been a car dealer detailing ಎಲ್ಲ I've been in this business.
Oh, you are
But
you are a car dealer yourself, is it?
Not the dealer, detailing, car detailing.
Oh, car
ಶೃಂಗಾರ
detail.
ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು.
Dealer,
Interiors.
detailer.
Interiors and
Yes,
exteriors.
He categorically says
But all
para
that,
5.
but even coming to this document also.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ತಾಳಿ SPP.
Yes.
Let him finish.
Yes,
Even what documents have been placed today,
Hmm.
your lordship specifically asked these questions on the last date of hearing to my learned friend. ಏನ್ proceedings ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಇಡೀ ಫೈಲ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರು, ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರು, ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು 8/2/2026 ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If it was there, 8/2/2026.
ಅವತ್ತೇನು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು.
ಫೈಲ್ ತಂದಿದ್ರು, ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರು, ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ you mean to say that is.
I don't know. He has to
What,
say.
ಅವತ್ತು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ನನಗೆ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ನಾನು ಬಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I will not go beyond that.
No, no.
I will not go beyond that. One document says it is served on my
No,
employee.
we'll not doubt the states.
No, I'm not even saying that. Kindly, I'm not saying.
ಈಗ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ will not.
ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 8/2/26 same day one document copy is served on me. Another document it says that I have refused. How can it be, my lord? Same question, same document, same stage, same day.
ಈಗ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅದು?
ಅದ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. No, not this. What the state file just now.
Refuse to sign
Next page, your lordship may kindly see.
and sign and receive. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, down below my signature is shown.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
That is form number
Page-
27, my Lord.
Page
27
19.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
Page 19.
ಇವರು they have a joint squad when they came to your place.
Yes.
They have drawn panchna,
Yes,
ತನಿಖಾ ವರದಿ or
Yes.
whatever.
yes.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆ.
Kindly see 19, page 19.
ಅಲ್ಲ 19 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಅಕಂಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಟು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Page 19, down below.
ಇದೇನಿದು? ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಕ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೌನ್.
Same date.
ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿರೋದೆ ಅವತ್ತು.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, my employee signature.
ಹೌದು.
In other places, my employee is stated to have refused.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅದು that is on the enquiry report.
No, in all the other documents.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Then
all
the
other
tax
documents
demand,
refused to-
tax demand also.
ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೈನ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ-
ಮಾಡಿದವರ ಕಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ
ಹೌದು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
That the
ಸೈನ್
same
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
person
ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ.
is holding.
Yes.
Lord, I
What
can
time it
only,
was?
I can
What?
only imagine a situation. Same person is holding a few documents. He says sign here, he is signing. If he is not signing, if he is refusing, then all pages he must refuse.
ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ
But all that I am saying is,
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನು
even
ಆಮೇಲೆ-
this,
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ?
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತರಿಸ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಯ್ತು, let us, Lord, I will take back my words. Let us not doubt, Lord, the state. But even then, this page 18 document, it is said to be a tax demand notice. But this tax demand notice can come into existence only after proceedings under section 8A of the Taxation Act. There must be a notice, there must be a reply, there must be a private personal
Taxation
hearing.
Act ಕೊಡಿ. Motor vehicle taxation act.
And I am also supported by a judgment of this honorable court.
Judgment ಕೊಡಿ.
Section 8A. Section 8A, may I read, my lords? Collection of tax escaping assessment, if any time it is found that the amount of tax paid or for any period in respect of any motor vehicle falls short of the tax payable under this act, then notwithstanding any incorrect entry or the absence of any entry in this certificate of registration relating to the motor vehicle regarding the tax payable in respect of such.
ಇದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಏನಾರು?
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, my lord, kindly see
ಅಲ್ಲ,
11A.
ಇದು ಈಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ.
Yes.
ಈಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
There are no proceedings, my lord. Why? That is why I am seeking to with great caution, my lord, with great respect to my learned friend, without not putting any aspersions at this stage. Not this aid to refusal, not the tax demand notice. But it can come into existence only after the section 8A proceedings. Section 8A also, my lord, this honorable court has said, without, my lord, a demand, without, my lord, a determination, there cannot be a seizure. That too from a transferee.
Where is he a transferee? My lord, there is no original registration. So therefore, there cannot be any transferee based on temporary
ಆಯ್ತು,
registration.
ಇವ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ನೇ ಬಿಡಿ,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು, he should come to the court with clean hands.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, see his statement at para 5, my lord. He says, I have purchased from Faisala, the dealer.
Sir, he may have done anything.
The next
Have you complied with law?
my lord, he doesn't, my lord,
ಅರೆ ಈ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಯಾರು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ನಾವು? ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ?
ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಓನರ್.
ಯಾವ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಓನರ್?
ಯಾರು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ನಾವು? ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದ್ರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ?
ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ RTO ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹೌದು,
ಯಾರ
ಅದು ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
The powers are there.
ಪವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Judgment of this honorable
It
court.
is very rudimentary.
Some natural justice.
It's very rudimentary. Search and seizure comes at a later point in time when he refuses to adhere to the demand that is made. First notice, demand istide. If you don't pay, we will seize the vehicle and go later.
And I am supported by
You are
judgment of this honorable
putting
court.
the cart before the horse.
My lord, kindly see 27.
ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, 8 years ಸಾಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೋಟರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್
Like euro.
27A ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 27A.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಗಾಡಿನ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Where an officer empowered by the state government under section 11A, hereinafter referred to as authorized, has reason to believe that tax payable in respect of any motor vehicle has remained unpaid.
Remain unpaid.
Yes.
So first notice ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, this is the tax that you have to pay. You have not paid, so we will take the vehicle.
No, remained unpaid.
It is too rudimentary.
The vehicle is, yes. The vehicle only is registered as temporary, so therefore tax is unpaid. Or
Sorry, whatever it is,
No,
he's not
principles of-
entitled to even a notice.
Principles
What
of
do you
natural
mean?
justice.
Hello, he's not entitled to even a notice. Notice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ. Not, he might be able to
Notice
justify.
ಕೊಡ್ದೇನೆ, now it is admitted also. Notice ಕೊಡ್ದೇನೆ demand notice ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Appeal lies against that order.
Appeal lies, but ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Not that.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಸೀಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಗಾಡಿನ?
This is
Can it be
precisely
gone
why I
into
said.
separate overreached to petition? Kindly.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಪವರ್.
No, I only.
That this is precisely why I said with both respect to both of the learned counsels, my lord, this tax demand notice of 8/2/26 has come up only now.
Unless, see, first thing is determination of tax. Payable by whom? Notice to that person that this is the tax amount that you have to pay, you have defaulted in payment. Default, not once you can take, default agi repeated notice ge default admele, you can search the premises, seize the vehicle and go. That is the power, no doubt. But it is too rudimentary to even say that without a notice you can take it away. That's not-
Determination of tax.
Determination illa, notice
But
illa,
learned
whatever.
SPP read not, this judgment is precisely on 27A.
I have not issued notice.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
No, kindly take my reply, not. My submission is.
No
not-
problem. See, we will not go again. In law, we will write, it's
Yes.
all right. But I thought of getting departmental initiative
My
against him, we
difficulty
will not
not-
do that.
My difficulty now is not, having seen the my lord, video conference order.
ಹಾ,
Lord, he has given a complaint now against me.
ಏನಂತ?
Criminal trespass ಆಗಿದೆ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಒಳಗೋದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಗರಾಜ್,
Yes.
ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾಟ್
ನಾನು
ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್,
ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಗರಾಜ್. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್. ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಗರಾಜ್, ನೋ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ನೋ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ that if you don't pay the tax, we will come and seize your vehicle. No notice. You ekaeki hogi, you enter the garage and take it away, and definitely criminal trespass aage agutte. You are performing your duty, no problem, that's all right, but that also should be in accordance with law. Otherwise you can't enter anybody's house like that and take away the vehicle, sir. I'm not concerned about the car being Lamborghini or car being Maruti. The thing is that a person who is not authorized in law, except in accordance with law, to search and seize, cannot do this. Tomorrow it may be this house, tomorrow it may be another's house. Tomorrow it may be for purpose of tax, it may be for any purpose. How can you allow someone to enter and take it away without notice? That's not permissible at all.
Kindly take my
That's
reply.
why, though this act is definitely contrary to law, but for SPP's submission, I'm keeping quiet, not directing departmental inquiry against you. But nonetheless, there is something more than what meets the eye here, the RTO office. That should be cleansed.
That I agree. If I have done, yes. I'm not bona fidely I have acted. Because I am a part of this.
Bona fide ಅಲ್ಲ, you house the Josh ಅಂತ act ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ.
contrary to law ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
It's a team.
ಅದೇ
Headed by
ಆಯ್ತು team mates whatever, that can't be, you can't act contrary to law. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನೇ ತಗೊಂಡು, you are the complainant, you go, you take the vehicle, go away. No, can't do that.
And also, my lord, learned SPP on the last occasion says here before this honorable court, vehicle is involved in a crime, so we have seized it. Next day, my lord, before the.
He was short informed on the last
sure.
trip
After briefing.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಂದು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
1:30.
Because 2:30ಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
So he came in at 2:30
Because
and
the next day, my lord, learned SPP came next day.
No.
At the 2:30, my lord, on the day, the previous day, my lord, additional
I
SPP.
also told the court, half an hour's briefing I came.
ಹೌದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. No, he was short informed ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. That's all right. But I'll pass on a detailed order
Yes.
tomorrow.
One minute, kindly take my reply.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ?
Where are the page 34? An important document.
Important.
Yes, for this case.
Imported document.
Yes, Lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
Important document, Lord.
Important.
Important document written by Lambagiri, Bangalore.
Imported document. Yes.
Important. Page 34.
That was referred to, I think now.
It is in response to the my lord.
ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು.
Your lordship read it.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದನ್ನೇ SPP ಓದಿದ್ದೆ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹ?
ಈ
ಎರಡು letter ಇದೆ.
With regard to invoice, it same appears to be fabricated and forged. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಓದಿದ್ದವರು. ನೀವು ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Lord, then my lord, page 14 is the, page 36 is the my lord, squared.
Another important document?
Lord, order of the joint commission.
ಅದು
ಇದು ಓದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವೇ ಅವ್ರು ಓದಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
I acted as per the Lord, direction higher authority. I have not taken my,
nothing important.
on my own, I have not taken any action. Team went there, not only alone. It's a teamwork.
Team members ಯಾರು? ರಂಜಿತ್, ನಾಗರತ್ನ and ಕವಿತಾನಾ?
one RTO, one senior inspector, two inspectors.
ಟೂರೇನು? What is ರಂಜಿತ್?
Ranjit is senior inspector.
Senior IMV. ಇವರಿಬ್ರು RTO ನಾ?
Deepak.
Inspectors, so headed by RTO. Yeah, ARTO.
ARTO ಯಾರಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
Deepak ಅಂತ.
Deepak is the
L.
ARTO.
Deepak.
RTO.
I'm sorry, RTO.
RTO.
RTO Deepak Blood, N. Ranjit Blood, senior motor vehicle inspector. Then Lord Srimati Nagaratna, motor vehicle inspector, Elanka. Srimati Kavita, motor vehicle inspector, Elanka.
There were, my lord, in
The
my
teamwork,
inspection,
Lord, not
there were at least 12 of them.
Teamwork ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ illegal does not become legal.
Not that Lord, the court should.
There were at least 12 of them, but I assume they have come to assist the.
12 of them ಯಾಕೆ?
ಹೌದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ except the cap.
ಬೌನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್.
ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್.
ಈಗ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪಲ್ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ತಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು? 10
ನನ್ಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು?
Dealing with the matter.
ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ.
ಫೋರ್ಸಿಬಲಿ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್.
ನಾಳೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ an order tomorrow. Detail order ಮಾಡಿ I will direct those two officers' names.
Yes, I'll
RTO.
furnish. I'll furnish.
Yes, furnish. Will pass an order.
Regarding the criminal case against me, here lodge a complaint.
482 ನಾನೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ತಾವು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ ದೈ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಸಿ.
No, the prayer is to they impute the crime.
ಇವರು
ಹೌದು, crime ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That cannot go.
We'll see.
That cannot go.
I have also sought for release of vehicle in the interim application.
That's a different.
I will see. So release of vehicle definitely should happen because of violation of the procedure in taking away the vehicle. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
It's in the police station itself.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವ್ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಡೀಟೇಲರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಓನರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋಡ.
ಯಾರು ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ?
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಹರ್ಷ.
Who is that?
ಈತ ಓನರ್.
No, Asha who had a temporary registration. He left the car and
Temporary
went. Nothing,
registration.
nothing. He sold the car to him.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹರ್ಷ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಈಗ ಹೋಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಲಿ ಕಾರ್.
Lord, I have submitted.
Tomorrow I'll see. I'll pass an order.
Because of this, my lord, observation, entire department is afraid of taking any action now.
ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ?
ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ? ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎವೇಡಿಂಗ್.
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
observation, my lord.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, 8A ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
I'm not saying that.
ನೀವು ವಿತೌಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಯಾರ್ದೋ ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರರಿ ಟು ಲಾನೇ.
Lord, my instructions are.
You should be afraid of acting contrary to law, but always be courageous to act in accordance with law.
Lord, my instructions are, the moment somebody buys a luxury car, Lord, the officials get behind them.
Lord, all the cars,
Test drive.
illa, all the fancy cars go about this way. All the fancy cars without exception.
First demo car, ಆಮೇಲೆ
Without exception, they evade tax.
no exception at all.
And moment the notice is served, it goes to UP,
ಇದು
Chandigarh.
ಹಾಗೆ ಡೆಮೋ ಕಾರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೊ.
ಸತೀಶ್ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬೋರ್ಗಿನಿ?
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಕಣೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ
ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್. ನಾಳೆ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Yes.
Yes. But I will have to observe that it is contrary to law, and those RTO officials or whatever is will absolve him because it's a teamwork.
Yes.
Departmental inquiry absolution ಅಷ್ಟೇ, not.
We might have to get from the records for your lordship to observe that relevant on the relevant date as to who was there officially a document. If I
Kodi.
just give the names, it may not suffice.
Records ಕೊಡಿ.
Suffice. So the relevant period.
Need the records, yes. ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಿ records ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ.
Yes.
I also place the judgment of the coordinate bench which says, Lord, without determination of.
Sir, it is too rudimentary, sir. First determination, next notice, you default, then search, then seizure.
That I under the tax rules itself, Lord.
Yes.